Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about Marie Curie. Marie Curie was the first scientist who wins Nobel Prize twice. Also, she was the first scientist who wins Nobel Prize in two scientific fields. She was the first who take admission to the University of Warsaw and he became first woman professor at the University of Paris. Marie Curie was born in Warsaw, that was Kingdom of Poland, that was part of Russian Empire. Marie Sklodowska, then known as Marie Curie, Marie's family lost their property in involvements. Due to this, she gets struggle to get ahead in life. In 1894, she met Pierre Curie. He was a scientist. They fall in love and they have married on 26 July 1895. They had two daughters. Her father and mother was a teacher. Mary was the youngest one. Education. As a child, Curie took after her father. She had a bright and curious mind and excelled at school. When she was 10 years old, she began attending the boarding school of J. Sikorska. Then she attended gymnasium school for girls. Although she was a top student in her secondary school, Curie could not attend the men's only University of Warsaw. Instead of that, she joined informal classes held in secret. She graduated on 12 June 1883 with a gold medal. In 1893, she was awarded a master's degree in physics. She started her practical scientific training at the chemical laboratory. In 1891, she moved to France. Here, she enrolled herself at the Sorbonne University. She returned to Paris to pursue a PhD. Mary became fascinated by rays that were recently discovered by scientists William Röntgen and Henry Becquerel. In 1895, she became the first woman who takes admission in the Pantheon in Paris by her own merits. Career. Under her direction, the world's first studies were conducted into the treatment of neoplasm using radioactive isotopes. She founded the Curie Institutes in Paris and in Warsaw, which remain major centers of medical research today. During World War I, she developed mobile radiography units to provide X-ray services to field hospitals. Research. Mary and her husband spent many hours in the science lab investigating pitchblende and new element. They eventually figured out that there were two new elements in pitchblende. They have discovered two new elements for the periodic table. Mary named one of the element polonium after her homeland Poland. She named the other radium because it gave off such strong rays. The Curie came up with the term radioactivity to describe elements that emitted strong rays. Awards. She shared the 1903 Nobel Prize in Physics with her husband Pierre Curie and physicist Henry Becquerel for their pioneering work developing the theory of radioactivity. She invented for isotopes. She won the 1911 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for the discovery of two elements, polonium and radium. Mary became the first woman to be awarded the prestigious Nobel Prize, and she was also the first person to be awarded two Nobel Prizes in two fields and multiple sciences. So, Mary became very famous. Impact of her work. Scientists came from around the world to study radioactivity with Mary. After that, doctor found that radiology could help curing cancer. When World War I started, Mary learned that doctors could use X-rays to help an injured soldier. About Poland love. While a French citizen, Marie Curie never lost her sense of Polish identity. She taught her daughters the Polish language and looks them on visits to Poland. She named the first chemical element. She discovered polonium after her native country. She was working continuously in contact with harmful radiation. Due to this, she suffered aplastic anemia. So, she died on 4 July 1934 at the age of 66 in France. This is all about the Marie Curie. Thank you so much for watching full video.